FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. As I have found out from my foreign students, FOIL is a somewhat uniquely American algebra tradition in the, quote, tips and tricks, end quote, category. Given two binomials being multiplied by each other, FOIL represents a trick to avoid the distributive property, which is probably the more appropriate way to understand how to multiply two binomials. Example: multiply parentheses x plus 2 end parentheses by parentheses x minus 3 end parentheses, or simply evaluate parentheses x plus 2 end parentheses times parentheses x minus 3 end parentheses. The FOIL method divides the problem in half with a centerline and then proceeds to label parts of each binomial as in. The x's of the binomials are the first terms, so we multiply x times x to equal x squared. The x and the minus 3 are the outside terms, so we multiply x times minus 3, which equals minus 3x. The 2 and the x are the inside terms, so we multiply 2 times x, which equals 2x. The 2 and the minus 3 are the last terms, so we multiply 2 times minus 3, which equals minus 6. And then combine the four parts: x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. After combining like terms CLT, we have x squared minus x minus 6. The more appropriate way to teach this might be to make use of the distributive property of math and get x times parentheses x minus 3 end parentheses plus 2 times x minus 3 in parentheses, which would equal x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, which equals x squared minus x minus 6. Nonetheless, the FOIL method of multiplying binomials is widely taught in the U.S. and stands for first, outside, inside, last. Related words: distributive property, binomial.